You can connect each of your OptinMagic campaign to third-party services individually and perform additional operations outside of OptinMagic each time a campaign form is submitted. In this video, I will show you how you can integrate a campaign with Zapier, which will enable you to handle your campaign data in numerous useful ways. At first, log into your Zapier account. Then click the Create Zap button. On the trigger page, search for OptinMagic app, then select it. Select New Contact on Event dropdown. Click Continue. If this is the first time you are integrating OptinMagic with Zapier, you will need to connect your OptinMagic account with Zapier. To do so, click on the next drop-down presented to you, which will be labeled Choose Your Account. If you have previously connected your OptinMagic with Zapier, you can use the previous connection, which will be listed here. Otherwise, click on Connect New Account. A pop-up window will open and asks for API key. To get the API key, log into your OptinMagic account. Go to your account page. You will see an API key field. Copy the API key and paste it here. Then click Yes, Continue. Click Continue. You will be taken to Setup Trigger step. You will find all of your OptinMagic campaigns listed here. Select the campaign you want. On Test Trigger step, you can click Skip. After that, you will be taken to the action phase of Zapier. Choose your desired action. Next steps will vary depending on the action you choose. Follow their documentation to see how their actions work.